This is unit 313 here at TriVista. This unit is our 1C.2 floor plan. This one is at 775 square feet in size. As soon as you enter the front door, to the right here, you'll have your full-size washer and dryer. And then here you can see a very large kitchen island. In the kitchen here, a lot of counter space, a lot of cupboard space. And then here on the opposite side of the kitchen, you do get even extra storage or cupboard space here, which is great. And the built-in pantry cupboards. Here is the living room area. Large windows, a lot of natural sunlight in this one. We are located on the 3rd floor, but it does feel like the ground floor here in the courtyard. So this looks out to the larger courtyard that we have here, and you get an incredibly large patio. And then here we have the bedroom. Ceiling fan light fixture included. Very large windows again, so a lot of good sunlight. And then over here we have our bathroom. Large walk-in closet. This bathroom does also connect to the bedroom, which is why the closet is in here. Very large glass shower. Plenty of counter space here, plenty of storage. And then again, this is dual entry, so from the living room here, or we can shut that door and go right into the bedroom here. So again, this is our 1C.2 floor plan here at TriVista.